Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Top Finance. Today, we've got an incredibly important topic to discuss: building an emergency fund. In this video, we'll delve into why having an emergency fund is crucial and provide you with practical steps on how to start one. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's get started. 1. Why an emergency fund is important. Let's begin by understanding why having an emergency fund is so crucial. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can strike at any moment. Whether it's a medical emergency, a car breakdown, or sudden job loss. Without an emergency fund, you might find yourself struggling to cover these expenses, potentially leading to financial stress and debt. So, here are some compelling reasons why you should prioritize building an emergency fund. Financial security. An emergency fund provides you with a financial safety net, ensuring you're better equipped to handle unexpected expenses. Reduced stress. It can significantly reduce stress and anxiety during tough times, allowing you to focus on solutions rather than financial worries. Avoiding debt. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise. 2. How much should you save? Now that we've established why you need an emergency fund, let's discuss how much you should aim to save. The general rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount can vary depending on your individual circumstances. To determine your specific target, consider factors like your job stability, family size, and financial responsibilities. The goal is to have enough to cover essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and insurance for the specified period. 3. How to start building your emergency fund. Now, let's move on to the practical steps to start building your emergency fund. It may seem daunting, but with a well-thought-out plan, it's entirely achievable. Step 1. Set clear goals. Determine your savings goal based on your living expenses and individual circumstances. Step 2. Create a budget. Track your monthly income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and redirect funds towards your emergency fund. Step 3. Open a separate savings account. This account should be separate from your regular checking account to prevent easy access. Step 4. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund savings account each month. Step 5. Increase savings over time. As your financial situation improves, aim to increase your emergency fund to cover more months of expenses. 4. Tips to boost your emergency fund. Building an emergency fund can take time, but there are ways to expedite the process. Here are some tips to help you save more efficiently. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and cut out non-essential expenses to free up more money for your fund. Increase income. Consider side gigs or part-time work to supplement your income and accelerate your savings. Windfalls and bonuses. Direct unexpected windfalls, like tax refunds or bonuses, into your emergency fund. 5. Staying committed. Building an emergency fund requires discipline and commitment. Here are some strategies to help you stay on track. Set milestones. Break your savings goal into smaller milestones to make the process feel less overwhelming. Emergency only. Use your fund exclusively for genuine emergencies, not for discretionary spending. Regularly reevaluate. Periodically reassess your goals and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, building an emergency fund is a crucial step towards financial stability and peace of mind. It provides you with the security and confidence to navigate life's unexpected challenges without falling into debt or financial turmoil. Remember, it's never too late to start building your emergency fund. Begin today by setting clear goals, creating a budget, and taking small but consistent steps towards your financial security. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more financial tips and advice. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences with building an emergency fund, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay financially savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.